Hold on to your helmets, space enthusiasts. Blue Origin's highly anticipated launch of its New Glenn rocket carrying NASA's twin Mars probes has been postponed due to unfavorable weather conditions. This setback comes just before new federal restrictions on commercial space flights take effect, adding another layer of complexity to the mission. During the launch webcast, Blue Origin's spokesperson Tabitha Litkin announced the squub, citing the cumulus cloud rule. As the primary reason, the company is now assessing its options for a future launch attempt, carefully considering the weather forecast. The launch was originally scheduled for Sunday, but the team had to call it off at the last minute. But here's where it gets controversial. Blue Origin now needs to work closely with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to secure an exception to launch on the backup dates of November 10th and 11th. This is because the FAA has indefinitely halted all commercial launches during daytime hours due to air traffic controller workload concerns stemming from the government shutdown. Laura McGinnis, Blue Origin's Vice President for New Glenn Mission Management, stated that the company is collaborating with the FAA and NASA to ensure safety and meet mission objectives. While Blue Origin has secured backup launch dates through an arrangement with Space Launch Delta 45, the FAA approval is crucial for any daytime launches under the current restrictions. Blue Origin faced challenges throughout Sunday's launch attempt. The mission, named ESCAPADE, Escape and Plasma Acceleration and Dynamics Explorers, is NASA's first to Mars in 5 years. The twin orbiters, built by Rocket Lab, are designed to study how the solar wind and space weather have stripped Mars of its atmosphere. And this is the part most people miss. The low-cost mission, built for less than $80 million, is led by scientists at UC Berkeley. The second stage of the New Glenn rocket will also carry a telemetry communications experiment for Viasat. This launch, designated NG-2, will be the second flight of a New Glenn rocket. Blue Origin aims to successfully land the first stage of the 321-foot-tall, 98 meters, rocket on a barge in the Atlantic Ocean for reuse. The first test flight was unsuccessful in landing, though the rest of the flight went smoothly. Blue Origin plans to use New Glenn for commercial satellite launches, heavy lift flights, and potential missions to the moon with crewed and uncrewed Blue Moon landers. What do you think? Do you believe the FAA restrictions are justified, or should exceptions be made for important missions like ESCAPADE? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Note, this article was written by Tarek, the award-winning editor-in-chief of Space.com.